Hi everyone! Thank you very much for watching the video. Today we are going to be doing some stretchings of the whole body. So in the previous video, I did posture exercises that included some of the stretchings of the upper body. But today I would like to do some stretchings of the upper body as well as the lower bodies. With Parkinson's disease, joints get stiff. And sometimes those stiffness can give pain to the and those stiffness in the joints can affect the movement, and that can affect your balance and posture as well as your gait. So important. So let's get started. So let's start with breathing exercises. So I'm gonna have you sit as tall as you can. Maybe I will have you scoot forward in the chair, and let's put your arms to the side, and we're gonna incorporate our breathing with the shoulder movement. So let's put your hands by your side, and you're gonna breathe in through your nose as you move your arms up. And from up here, try to reach all the way up as high as you can, and breathe out through your mouth and come back down. We're going to try that 3 times. Breathe in through your nose, reach up, and breathe out through your mouth, and bring your arms down. And again, in, reach up as big as you can, and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Great. And this time when you breathe in and when you reach up, at the top you're going to turn and twist, create the twist movement. And there, breathe out and bring your arms down. Great. And from here, keep your body turned to the one side and bring your arms all the way up. Breathe in and turn your body to all the way to the other way. And here, breathe out, bring your arms down. And breathe in and turn to the other side and breathe out, bring your arms down. You're going to try that one more time. Breathe in and turn, breathe out, and lower your arms. Okay, now face forward. Okay, let's put your legs out like mine, and you're still sitting close to the forward of the chair. And here, let's try to stretch the lower part of the back. Okay, so here I'm gonna have you put your hands on the knees and slowly lower your arms down in the inner part of the lower leg, not the outside, but inner part, until you feel the stretching in the lower back. And here, you are going to be pushing your knees out with your elbows, and also with the legs, with the knees, you're pushing into your elbows. And engage those muscles. And when you are pushing into your knees, and your muscles in the lower back should be relaxing a little more. So you're going to bring your arms down more as you feel the relief in the lower back. And while you do that, keep engaging your knees and elbows, pushing each other. And slowly come back up. Okay, now we did the stretching of the lower back, and let's try the stretching of the upper thoracic. Okay, same thing. Put hands on the knees and slowly come back down to the inner part of the lower leg, and your hands are at the ankle levels if you can. If not, you can come down as low as you can at your comfortable level. With stretching, you shouldn't be feeling pain, but good stretching and a good pain, not pain, but some stretching pain. Okay, now from here, let's lift your left hand all the way up, and your eyes are following your left hand and looking up, and create a good twist in the thoracic spine and open the front of the chest. Here, let's hold. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Create big twist. Great. And come back down. Same thing on the other side. Lift up your right arm. Your eyes are following your right arm. Reach all the way up. Create great twist. Bring shoulder blades down. And come back down. Okay, slowly come back up. Okay, very nice. Let's put your legs together. So, sit up tall. The next one is going to be working on the muscles around the front of the chest again. But this time, you're going to be lifting one arm. Let's lift your left arm up high and bring shoulder blades down and open the space around muscles here, pec muscles. Right here, and bring shoulder blades down, and also with the other hand bring your arm back and hold that posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, bring your arms as back as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Same thing on the other side. So bring your right hand up and try to open the front part of the right shoulder and pull back and bring shoulder blades down, not up, but down. And the other hand is pulling back down. So you're pulling your body to diagonal movement. Okay? Pull back and hold. 1, 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull back. 7, 8. Make sure you don't hold your breath. And 10. And come back down. Great. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, bring your left arm up, open the left shoulder, and bring your right hand down and back. Don't hike your shoulder, down and pull back 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax. The other hand, lift up your right shoulder opening, then the left side down and back. 10 seconds. 1, 2, engage your back muscles, pull back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then down. Great job. Okay, I felt a great stretch in front of the chest area. I hope you did too. Okay, let's now put your hands, palms up, elbows bent close to the trunk. And from here, you're going to be bringing your hands out. Okay, like that. Here, same thing. You don't want to hike your shoulders, but hold there for 10. Lift up your chest. 1, 2, 3. Let's count together as loud as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring your arms back. And relax. We're going to try that one more time. Ready? Palms up, elbows tucked in. When you bring your arms out, hands out, I don't want to see your elbows coming off from the trunk. You want to keep the elbows in, touching your trunk. Okay, let's externally rotate your hands out. 1, 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax. Nice, great job. Okay, now let's put your hands together in front of your chest. Okay, from here, you're going to be reaching all the way up, as high as you can. From here, you're going to turn your hand. So now your back of the hands are touching each other. From here, bring your elbows back and down. Then squeeze your shoulder blades together as hard as you can. Then release. Very nice. Now we're going to incorporate your breathing. Let's put your hands together. Breathe in and reach up. Then here, turn your hands. Back of the hands are touching. Breathe out. Bring your elbows back, shoulder blades together. Then relax. So we're going to try one more time. Put your hands together. It's a great exercise for opening in front of the chest. Now turn your hands, elbows back, and shoulder blades together, and breathe out. And down. Great. Okay, now my body is getting warmer and I'm feeling great stretch around the body. I hope you're feeling the same way as I am feeling. Okay, now let's put your hands to the side of your body, and from here you're going to be reaching all the way up. And at the top, you want to try to touch your hands like each with back of the hands. Then come back down. Let's try that 5 times. That was 1, 2, 3. Try to keep the arms close to, like, as back as you can. Sometimes I see people's arms comes forward, but keep the arms as back as you can. Come back down. One more time. If you have pain at the shoulder, let's not do this exercise. And 5. Okay, so we did great stretchings for the thoracic spine and also the upper body. So now let's do some stretch hips. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the chair so you can see me better. So let's do the little bit of warm-ups by doing quick marches. Okay, lift up your knees and let's move the hip joints. Okay, now let's do the kick out. Good. Let's move the knee joints. Okay. Okay, so now let's do some stretchings of the hip joint. Let's bring one knee to the chest as high as you can. And if you have a knee problem, you can keep the hands underneath of the knee. If you feel more if you don't have any pain in the knee joint, and if you feel more stretch holding the leg like this, please do so. And let's hold here for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And the other side, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Okay, so now let's put your left foot on top of your right knee. And here, let's push down your left knee as comfortably. You shouldn't be feeling any pain. And now I'm feeling good stretch in the inner thigh. Great. And let's hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit up tall. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here, let's bring your knees to your chest. And while you are keeping your foot on the other knee. Okay, now I'm feeling the stretch at the bottom area, bottom cheek. 10 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now let's switch. So you're going to be putting your right foot on top of your left knee. And the same thing, sit up tall and push down your right knee. And sit up tall. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, from here, let's bring your left knee to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, now let's put one foot forward, toes pointing up, and let's lean forward. You are feeling some stretch in the back of your leg. Good. And try not to put your hands on the knee joints. You can put your hands above the knee joint or below. And try to bend from the hip joint, not arching your back. And lean forward. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other side. Toes pointing up, then lean forward. Try to relax your leg and also try not to hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to be stretching the muscles of the So now we're going to be stretching the muscles of the front of your thighs. So these muscles, quads and hip flexors, they tend to get tight when we start to sit long time. And if they are tight, one big problem is when you're trying to stand up, that tightness can pull your trunk forward and prevent you from standing straight. So these muscles has to be really stretched out if you feel like you're sitting longer time. Okay, so one way to do sitting is you're going to be turning so you can hold the chair like this, and your half of the bottom is off the chair, and make sure the chair is stable. And here you can bring your legs back as you can, and sometimes try to stand up tall and engage your core. Try not to arch your back too much. Try to keep it straight. Tighten your core. And sometimes you already feel the stretch in front of your thigh. And if not, try to bring your leg up like this. And pull your knee back. Or just keep the leg down and try to slide it back until you feel the great stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now same thing on the other side. Okay, hold on. Then slide your leg back as you can until you feel the stretch. Like I said, keep your core engaged. Try not to arch your back. Keep it straight. 1, 2, I'm feeling great stretch here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slide your leg back and face forward. Okay, so last part is the ankle joints. So let's put your ankle on top of the knee like mine, and let's just roll the ankles. Give nice movement to the ankle one way, 5 times rolling, and the other way 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing on the other side. If you have difficulty putting the foot on top of the other knee, you can keep the foot down and just roll it one way 5 times, then the other way 5 times. Okay, so that's it for today. But these are great exercises for your whole body to loosen up. And I'm feeling great stretch now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And hopefully this video gives you a little bit of tips for your stretching exercises. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.